Rest days. Why they matter.
Rest days are essential for muscle repair, strength gains, and injury prevention. Taking time off from intense exercise gives your body the chance to recover and adapt, helping you return stronger and perform better. But making mistakes on rest days can actually slow progress and increase the risk of setbacks. Let's look at 5 common rest day mistakes to watch out for.
Mistake 1. Skipping all movement.
Completely avoiding movement on rest days can leave you feeling stiff and sluggish. Gentle activity like walking, stretching, or easy cycling keeps your blood flowing, aids recovery, and can reduce soreness. Aim to stay lightly active even when you're not working out intensely, unless your body specifically needs full rest to recover from illness or injury.
Mistake 2. Neglecting proper nutrition.
Some people mistakenly cut calories or neglect protein on rest days, thinking they don't need as much fuel. Recovery is when your body rebuilds muscles. So continue to eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Paying attention to hydration is also vital, as fluids support muscle repair and joint health, even on days off from training.
Mistake 3. Overindulging in unhealthy habits.
The rest days aren't cheat days. Giving in to excessive junk food, alcohol, or poor sleep can stall your progress and make recovery harder. Focus on healthy habits like quality sleep, nutritious foods, and hydration to maximize the benefits of your downtime. Treat your body well so it's ready for your next workout.
Mistake 4. Ignoring soreness and mobility work.
Ignoring tightness or soreness on rest days can let small issues turn into bigger problems. Gentle stretching, foam rolling, or targeted mobility exercises can relieve muscle tightness and improve flexibility. Address discomfort early to prevent injuries and support better performance when you return to training.
Mistake 5. Stressing over progress.
It's common to worry about losing momentum or falling behind on rest days, but recovery is a critical part of the process. Trust that rest allows your muscles and mind to recharge. Avoid overthinking or feeling guilty. Embrace the downtime, knowing it's helping you achieve your fitness goals in the long run.
Conclusion. Make the most of your rest days.
Optimal recovery means smarter progress. By avoiding these common rest day mistakes, staying gently active, eating well, avoiding unhealthy habits, caring for your body, and trusting the recovery process, you'll set yourself up for better results and a lower risk of injury. Make rest days a powerful and intentional part of your fitness journey.